Hello everyone! Did you know every year Indonesia produces over 12 million tons of plastic bottles? But used plastic bottle can be recycled into new useful products. From waste, they can turn into eco-friendly and attractive crafts. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Berliana Wicaksono, 1 Junior High School. Today, in this video, I want to show you how to make plastic bottle container. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go! Here are the materials needed. Don't worry, you can find the material everywhere. First, what we need is 3 used plastic bottles. The second item is a circle-shaped cardboard with a diameter of 60 centimeters. The third is chocolate and satin ribbon. Next is scissors and hot glue gun. The first, cut the plastic bottles into different heights. Next, cover the bottles all around with your wrap. Like this. Next, wrap satin ribbon around the cardboard base. Next, add a touch of satin ribbon to the bottles for extra charm. Like this. Stick the decorated bottles onto the base.